Sausage-making machine. Starting a business with a sausage-making machine means entering a traditional yet highly resilient market with steady, year-round demand. Sausage production is deeply rooted in household consumption, restaurants, street food, and barbecue culture, which guarantees recurring sales. These machines can be purchased from specialized meat processing equipment suppliers at prices ranging from $500 to $2,500, depending on production capacity, build quality, and level of automation. The production process is straightforward and fully controllable, covering grinding, seasoning, mixing, stuffing, and packaging. This control allows producers to adjust quality, portion size, and flavor profiles according to market preferences. The cost per kilogram produced is relatively low compared to the final retail or wholesale price, especially when working with proprietary recipes, premium cuts, or artisanal positioning. This business works because sausage is a repeat purchase product, and customers tend to remain loyal once they find a flavor or brand they trust. Differentiation can be achieved through spices, regional styles, organic ingredients, or smoked varieties. Although the business requires compliance with sanitary and food safety regulations, once these are properly established, production and sales become routine and scalable. With regular clients, such as butcher shops, restaurants, or local distributors, it is entirely feasible to generate stable monthly income and expand through premium product lines, bulk sales, or wholesale distribution. Grain milling machine. The grain milling machine opens the door to a foundational service-based business that supports multiple industries and local economies. These machines are available at prices ranging from $400 to $2,000, depending on motor power, durability, and throughput capacity. Their function is to process grains such as corn, wheat, rice, coffee, legumes, or animal feed into flours or specific grind sizes tailored to client needs. Operating costs are low, maintenance is relatively simple, and demand remains constant throughout the year. This business works because many small producers, bakeries, farms, and food entrepreneurs prefer local milling services to reduce logistics costs, improve freshness, and maintain better control over their raw materials. In many cases, clients already own the grain and simply require processing, allowing you to charge per kilogram milled without the need to manage inventory or raw material purchases. The main advantage lies in diversification. A single machine can serve different sectors, from human food production to animal feed and agricultural processing. With local agreements, consistent volume, and minimal overhead, this business can generate predictable, sustainable monthly income and remain resilient even during market fluctuations. Fruit dehydrator machine. The fruit dehydrator machine allows perishable or surplus produce to be transformed into shelf-stable, high-value added products. These machines typically range in price from $600 to $3,000, depending on size, airflow efficiency, temperature control, and energy consumption. The dehydration process removes moisture while preserving flavor, color, and nutrients, resulting in natural snacks with long shelf life and minimal waste. Production costs per unit are relatively low, especially when sourcing fruit in season or directly from local growers. However, the final selling price increases significantly when products are positioned as healthy, natural, organic, or gourmet snacks. This business works because consumer demand for clean label and minimally processed foods continues to grow steadily across multiple markets. Additionally, dehydration enables seasonal production while allowing inventory to be stored safely for extended periods without refrigeration. With proper packaging, branding, and distribution through online stores, retail shops, or wholesale channels, it is realistic to achieve attractive monthly income and eventually scale toward private label products or B2B supply contracts. Portable laser cleaning machine. The portable laser cleaning machine represents a high-value, service-oriented business with relatively low competition and strong barriers to entry. These machines require a higher initial investment, typically ranging from $5,000 to over $15,000, depending on power output, portability, and cleaning precision. Despite the cost, the profit potential is considerable due to the specialized nature of the service. The equipment allows for the efficient removal of rust, paint, grease, oxidation, and industrial contaminants without chemicals, abrasives, or surface damage. This business works because industries, workshops, construction companies, restoration firms, and maintenance providers increasingly seek precise, fast, and environmentally friendly cleaning solutions. Since this is a service-based model, revenue is generated per project, per hour, or through maintenance contracts, often at premium rates. The key advantage is that you are not selling a physical product, you are selling a technical solution with high perceived value and measurable results. With just a few well-paid monthly contracts, it is entirely viable to recover the initial investment quickly and generate consistent income with very attractive profit margins. Sublimation machine for cylindrical objects. Starting a business with a sublimation machine for cylindrical objects means entering the very core of the practical and emotional personalization market, where customers are willing to pay more for unique, meaningful products. These machines are widely available from specialized distributors, with prices typically ranging from $400 to $1,500, depending on build quality, temperature consistency, pressure system, and the number of heating elements. The production process is simple, efficient, and highly repeatable. Digital design, printing with sublimation ink, heat transfer, and final delivery of customized items such as mugs, thermoses, bottles, tumblers, or glassware. The cost per unit is relatively low, especially when producing in small batches or made to order, while the selling price increases significantly due to the personalized nature of the product. This business works because personalization is not a temporary trend, but a permanent demand driven by gifts, corporate branding, events, and emotional purchases. Since production is typically done on demand, inventory is virtually eliminated, reducing financial risk and storage needs. With recurring customers, partnerships with businesses or event organizers, and a strong digital presence through social media and online marketplaces, it is entirely feasible to generate stable monthly income and scale quickly with minimal operational complexity. Edible ink printer for cakes. An edible ink printer allows you to monetize a small detail with extremely high perceived value in the celebration and custom baking market. These printers are available at prices ranging from $300 to $1,200 and are used to print images, logos, photos, or personalized messages directly onto sugar paper or wafer paper using food-safe inks. The cost per print is minimal, often just a fraction of the final selling price, while the value added to the cake is substantial. This business works because personalized baking continues to grow year after year, driven by birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, corporate events, and themed celebrations. Many bakers and pastry shops prefer to outsource this service instead of investing in specialized equipment, maintenance, and supplies. Once you establish yourself as a reliable local provider, orders tend to become frequent and recurring. With small number of fixed clients and consistent volume, it is entirely possible to generate predictable monthly income through a simple, low-overhead operation that can even be run from a small workspace. Key cutting machine. A key cutting machine represents one of the most stable, proven, and time-tested small businesses available. These machines generally cost between $600 and $2,000, require minimal space, and are easy to operate with basic training. The process is fast and efficient, cutting the key, verifying accuracy, and immediate delivery to the customer. The cost per key is extremely low, while the retail price allows for high profit margins on every transaction. This business works because the demand never disappears. Homes, vehicles, offices, rental properties, and businesses require key copies on a daily basis. Additionally, it's an immediate in-person service, which protects it from digital competition and online alternatives. Once established in a high-traffic location, such as a shopping area or near residential zones, income becomes daily, repetitive, and highly predictable, making this a low-risk and consistent source of cash flow. Livestock and poultry feed machine. A machine for producing livestock and poultry feed represents a productive, essential, and highly scalable business, especially in agricultural regions. These machines are available at prices ranging from $1,500 to $6,000, depending on capacity, motor strength, and pelletizing or grinding systems. The process involves grinding raw grains, mixing supplements and nutrients, and compacting the blend into balanced feed formulations. Production costs are significantly lower than purchasing commercially packaged feed, which makes this service highly attractive to farmers and breeders. This business works because feed consumption is constant, predictable, and required in large volumes throughout the year. By offering custom formulations or consistent local supply, you can build long-term relationships with farms and breeding operations. With recurring orders and moderate scale, it is entirely feasible to generate stable, sustained monthly income and eventually scale toward higher volume corporate and wholesale orders. Custom rubber keychain machine. Starting a business with a machine for producing custom rubber keychains means entering a low-cost manufacturing market driven by creativity, branding, and promotional demand. These machines are available through industrial suppliers and online platforms, with prices typically ranging from $800 to $3,000, depending on mold size, material compatibility, and level of automation. The production process is clear and repeatable. Custom mold design, rubber injection or vulcanization, cooling, trimming, and finishing. The cost per unit becomes very low when producing at volume, while the selling price increases considerably due to customization, branding, and exclusivity. This business works because companies, brands, clubs, events, and startups constantly seek affordable promotional items that reinforce identity and visibility. Rubber keychains never go out of style, are lightweight, easy to ship, and are typically produced to order, which minimizes inventory risk. With small but recurring contracts, it is entirely feasible to generate stable monthly income and eventually scale toward higher volume corporate and wholesale orders. Artisan flour milling machine. Finally, the Artisan flour milling machine allows basic raw materials to be transformed into a product with strong differentiation and high perceived value. These machines are available at prices ranging from $700 to $2,500, depending on power, stone or steel milling systems, and production capacity. The process involves carefully grinding grains, seeds, or legumes while preserving freshness, nutrients, and natural flavor. Production costs are low, yet the final selling price increases when the product is positioned as artisanal, whole grain, stone-milled, or free from industrial processing. This business works because demand for natural, traceable, and locally produced food continues to grow, particularly among bakeries, restaurants, specialty shops, and health-conscious consumers. Since flour is a staple with constant consumption, repeat purchases are common. With organized local distribution, consistent quality, and clear branding, it is entirely realistic to generate stable monthly income and eventually build a strong, recognizable brand over the medium term.